To measure hip medial rotation range of motion with the hip flexed using a goniometer, the patient is seated with the hip and knee flexed to 90 degrees and a folded towel under the thigh. The patient is instructed to keep weight equally distributed over both hips. During the measurement, the axis of the goniometer is aligned with the midpoint of the patella. The stationary arm is aligned perpendicular to the floor, and the moving arm is aligned with the anterior midline of the tibia along the tibial crest.
Miss Wheeler, I'm going to measure how much you can move your hip using this tool. When I ask you to, I want you to move your leg out to the side like this and hold it there. Do not lift your leg off the table or lean over to one side. Now bring your leg out, hold it there,